So, you just bought a BikeFinder and you're ready to set it up. So let me help you with that. In this video, we'll be going through from start to finish how to set up the tracker, link your subscription, and then we'll go through all the different modes of the BikeFinder. So first of all, the BikeFinder needs an active subscription. You can go to bikefinder.com or through our app to buy the subscription that fits your need. In certain countries, we offer subscriptions with insurance, but you can also buy just a subscription that purely tracks. It's really important that if you're buying the BikeFinder subscription with insurance, provide the name of the legal owner of the bike when signing up. So now you're going to install the app and log in. Open up either the App Store for Apple devices or the Google Play Store for Android devices and search for the BikeFinder app. If you're in Germany, you will need the BikeFinder app. When signing up for the app, we recommend using the same email as you used when buying your subscription to avoid any confusion. Before we start doing anything, make sure you charge the tracker for about 3 to 4 hours when it's the first time you're using it. After about 30 minutes of charging, it should wake up and display a red LED. Next, we want to install and connect the tracker to your app. To do this, you will need to have Bluetooth activated on your phone. Now let's set up the tracker in the app. So first, enter the BikeFinder app. Click the plus symbol in the top right corner to search for nearby trackers. Yours should now show up. If it doesn't show up, make sure you're close to the tracker. Now click the tracker that was recently added. Here you get the options of renaming your tracker, adding information about your bike, such as a receipt for your bike and its accessories. You can also report a theft and add a picture of your bike. Now that you have added the tracker to your application, you will need a subscription to activate the tracker's functionalities. If you have used the same email to log into the app as the one you have bought the subscription with, your subscription will be automatically linked and you should be ready to go. Now that you have a subscription linked to your BikeFinder, you can start using the device. So let's explore a couple of the different modes you can use the tracker in. So to change the mode on the tracker, you want to click on your tracker inside the app, navigate to modes, and here you can switch the tracker into all the different modes. So how do all the different modes actually work? First, we're going to start with tracking mode. In tracking mode, the battery life will be very short compared to the other modes. And it is only recommended to activate the tracking mode when your bike is actually stolen. Since in this mode, the tracker will send a signal as often as every minute. You will also get no push notifications on your phone when using tracking mode. Next, let's move on to security mode. In security mode, the battery life of the tracker will be extended compared to tracking mode. In this mode, you will also get a notification on your phone when movement is detected. This is the most accurate mode for tracking your bike. You will also get a notification when the battery level of the tracker reaches 40% and 20%. If you have an insurance subscription, your insurance will be valid in this mode. And next is standard mode. Standard mode is the exact same as security mode, except it will not send you push notifications when it senses movement. Insurance is also valid in this mode. Last is passive mode. Passive mode will use the least amount of battery. Passive mode disables the GPS signal and will only send out a GSM signal every 20 minutes when movement is detected. If there is no movement detected, however, the tracker will only send out a GSM signal every 24 hours. Also in passive mode, you will not get a notification when the tracker senses movement. In this mode, insurance is not valid. You will also get a notification when the battery level of the tracker reaches 40% and 20%. Let's mount the tracker and verify the signals. First, put the tracker inside of the handlebar. When pushing the tracker inside of the handlebar, make sure the arrow is pointing up. Once this is done, you are ready to tighten the screws and make the expansion mechanism fasten the tracker inside of your handlebars. Find the included BikeFinder screwdriver and tighten the screws until it feels secure and you won't be able to remove the tracker by hand. If your tracker fits too loosely in the handlebars and it can't fasten itself, you can use the handlebar adapter set for handlebars that are wider than 20 millimeters. To use the handlebar adapter set, first unscrew both screws all the way out. Attach the first set of handlebar adapter set clamps between the end of the tracker and the expansion mechanism. Screw both screws in again. Then slip on the last handlebar adapter set piece over the tracker. It is important to mount the tracker correctly, as not installing the tracker correctly will invalidate your insurance in case of a theft. To verify the signals of the tracker, tap History in your app, and you should now see a signal with the last position of the tracker. When installing the tracker, it can be covered by handlebar grips made out of plastic, leather, and rubber, but not metal, as it will interfere with the signals of the tracker. In this example, we have a bike with a metal grip, so we can't cover the head of the tracker. Thank you for watching this video, and we want to congratulate you on your brand new BikeFinder tracker. We'll see you next time.